Imagine being at a roast where the guest of honor is none other than the legendary Tom Brady. And yet, all eyes turn to Kim Kardashian as a wave of boos echoes through the room. Yes, you heard it right. Kim Kardashian, the reality TV star and entrepreneur extraordinaire, found herself in a rather uncomfortable spotlight at a recent Netflix roast honoring Tom Brady. This high-profile event took place at the Forum in Inglewood, California, a venue known for its star-studded gatherings. The room was filled with a mix of celebrities, comedians, and football stars, all there to toast and roast the former New England Patriots quarterback. But as the evening unfolded, it was Kim Kardashian who took a good chunk of the heat. Now you might be wondering, why was Kardashian booed at an event that was meant to roast Tom Brady? Well, it seems that the audience was not quite ready for Kardashian's venture into stand-up comedy. As she took the stage, attempting to dish out some playful banter, she was met with a surprising backlash. The boos, it seems, were a reaction to her jokes, her status as a Kardashian, or perhaps her perceived mismatch with the event's lineup. But Kardashian, ever the professional, did not let the negative reception faze her. She responded with her own one-liners, joking about dating Brady and comparing him to Caitlyn Jenner. Despite the boos, Kardashian's wit and humor added a unique twist to the evening's proceedings. This incident, while controversial, has certainly sparked a buzz among viewers and generated a lively debate. Was the booing a reflection of the audience's opinion of Kardashian, or was it simply a part of the roast culture? The jury is still out on that one. In a nutshell, Kim Kardashian found herself at the receiving end of some unexpected boos at the Tom Brady roast. Whether she deserved this negative reception or not is a matter of opinion. But one thing is for sure, the incident has added another chapter to the ever-evolving narrative of celebrity culture. This is a clear example of how the world of comedy can be as unpredictable as it is entertaining. One moment you're laughing at a joke, the next, you're the butt of it. And in the end, it all adds to the rich tapestry of the entertainment industry, where the unexpected is often the most memorable.